Oops. Sorry, I just want to go to a blank page. Charlotte, I'm sorry. Thanks for sharing your goals. I think it was really awesome. I hope that continues to help you and continue to use me as your resource as well. But that was really cool that you shared that. I saw your question. I'd love to help you in office hours, but I'm coaching, so I won't be there for office hours today. But I did get your question, so I'm going to show you the best I can how you can do these. And what I think I hear you saying is like when you have 3/4 x equals, so I'm trying to think of a good number, let's say 12, then you're struggling to solve this problem. And so we can do this in two ways. So I'm going to break this problem down, and I don't care which way you do it, but both work pretty solid. But here I'm going to do 3/4 x equals 12. And this one's a two-step way. So it takes us a little longer to get there, but it might make more sense to you. So you see next to the x, we see a divide by 4, and we can look at that 3 as a 3 times x. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this divide by 4 first. So to get rid of a divide by 4, we multiply by 4 and we multiply by 4. And that's going to cancel out my 4's over here. And you'll see, now you can see I've just got that 3x. Okay, I'll bring my equal sign down, and 12 times 4 is 48. And now I hope we understand how to do this. We can say this is 3 times x. So we're dividing by 3 here, and we're dividing by 3 here. So x equals 16. Okay, so that's one way you can do it. Another way you can do it is you've got 3/4 x equals 12. So same problem, right? And what we can do is we multiply by the reciprocal. And the reciprocal is taking a fraction and flipping it. So what we're going to do is we could take this problem. Sorry, Moby's thinking there. We can take this problem. The reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. So we're going to multiply over here by 4 over 3. Now what helps us is to turn 12 into a fraction as well. And that's just 12 over 1, because 12 divided by 1 is 12. So you can kind of see what's going to happen here, but I'll make it laid out. 4 times 3 is 12, and then 3 times 4 is 12. So this is 1, right? 12 over 12 is 1. We get 1x. So what a lot of people will kind of say is, well, those just cancel each other out. The 3's cancel each other out. The 4's cancel each other out. We just get x, right? So we don't even write those 12 over 12, really. We just understand the whole point in doing the reciprocal is to get rid of the fraction and just get an x. So then over here, to multiply fractions, you multiply through the top and multiply through the bottom. 12 times 4 is 48, and then 1 times 3 is 3. So we got the fraction 4 divided by 3, and then you can simplify that. 4 divided by 3, kind of like we did over here, is 16. So either method works, and you get the answer x equals 16. So hopefully it helps you get rid of the fraction. Do another one really quick in the sense, if I had 1/2, let's not do 1/2 because those are easy to do in our head. Let's do 1/3 x plus 10 equals 40. We can't touch the fraction first. We got a minus 10 minus 10. Then we get 1/3 x equals 30. And at this point, you could do the two-step process where you could do the two-step process and multiply by 3 and then divide by 1. Or you could just say, hey, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, 3 over 1 and 3 over 1, and I'm going to turn this into a fraction and multiply that out. Okay, which you end up getting x here. Here you end up getting 90 over 1, so x equals 90. All right, so that's a couple examples. I hope it helps, and good luck, and keep up that hard work, okay? I'm proud of you. Good job.